Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, I just left one of my favorite thrift stores. Woo! I hit the jackpot today, y'all. Hey, first thing first, let me get this out the way. Have you ever heard of American Pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage? Whatever. Have you ever heard of Cincinnati Picker? Have you ever heard, I got a new one, of the Urban Picker from St. Louis, y'all? The Urban Picker. Yeah. Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth Picker? Have you ever heard of my boy, Dave from Kentucky? I call him TP, the Tesla Picker. He picks up for a Tesla, y'all. He picking for a Tesla. I can't hardly talk. Anyway, yeah, but this Kevin from St. Louis, and all I want to say is that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey, y'all. I just left one of my favorite thrift stores. I just spent $80-something. I never spent that much in a thrift store before. $80-something, but I think I got at least $1,500 worth of stuff. At least. Probably by $1,100. So, when I get to work, y'all, I'm gonna get back on the horn and I'm gonna tell y'all what I got. Look at that, look at them boxes back there and stuff. Look at that stuff. Yeah. Woo! Just two of them items almost worth $300. I'll take that back. Three of them items almost worth $600. Three, and I paid less than $12 for them, all three of them. Anyway, y'all, when I get to work, I'm gonna hit y'all back. In the meantime, y'all wear your mask, whatever. I'll be at work 2:30. I'm making this video. All right, y'all. Hey, y'all, I'm back. I'm at work now. You know, it's time to take a look at what I bought today. Yeah, let's go over here and take a look. Look at all this stuff on the truck. I'm not going to show you everything. I'm just going to show you the most expensive stuff that I bought. But there's a whole lot of stuff. Let me turn you around right quick so you can see. All the stuff in this box I'm not going to show you. See all this stuff? I'm not showing you this stuff. I'm just going to show you the most expensive stuff. Okay, dig this. This right here. Hold on, what's something wrong with my camera? I'm going to turn you around. Hold on a minute. Sorry about that, y'all. I got a phone call from my wife. You know, got to take that phone call. I'm just saying. Woo! Anyway, let me tell you. This is a Panasonic video cassette recorder. See how much I paid for that? $20. This is selling on eBay in between $199 and $300-something, brand new. I paid $20 for it. This is a Samsung video DVD recorder. I sold one of these before. I paid $5.99 for it. This selling for over $200 on eBay. This is a Samsung DVD recorder too, on the bottom. I'm gonna clean it up real good and sell it. That's paid $5.99 for that too. Both of them work. Matter of fact, one of them got a movie in it, one of them got a DVD in it. So when I get home, I'm gonna test it on the TV. But one of them is HDMI. So both of these right here, that's $300 or more. Both of these, $300 or more. This one by itself is damn near $250, $300. Okay, this is a Garmin. You put it on your boat and it's a navigation system. Hold on, let me show you how much I paid for it. See that? $5.99. This is a navigation system. It's got the navigator in there and everything. This thing right here, then this damn near brand new. I didn't even see that at first. Anyway, this thing right here is selling for almost $300 by itself. So all this stuff right here is damn near $800-900. Just these 4 items. Okay, I sold VCR DVD recorders before, so I know they sell. This is my first time selling one of these Panasonic VCRs. I sold VCRs before for like $50, $40. Okay, I got some more stuff. This right here, it's a wireless access point. That's like $50. I paid $3.99 for that. These tennis rackets, I sell tennis rackets all the time. This is a wooden Kramer, Jack Kramer autograph. These are worth in between $39 and $50, $60. Some of them are worth over $200. Depends on which ones you got. I got 3 of them. See, I got 3 of them. Then this Pro Staff right here is another $40, $50. $80 I paid today for this stuff. $80. You know, I got it's including the rest of the stuff in this box. It's including this stuff too. $80. I just don't want to I don't want to make a long video about pulling this stuff out. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I got today, and hopefully I'll be able to sell this stuff fast. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully. But $80, y'all. $80, potentially $1,200 with all the stuff I got. Potentially $1,100 to $1,200. Y'all, don't get no better than that. I started not to go to these stores, but because I can't pass them by. I can't pass them by every time I drive down the street. I'm addicted, y'all. Y'all gotta help me. I can't pass these stores by. I try all the time. I was late for a job today because I stopped at this store. Y'all gotta help me out. Then we gonna go back to my old school stuff. You know what I'm saying? Stuff I'm not gonna sell. Remember that, y'all? Things that I'm not gonna sell. Today is this collector's edition of Scarface, the movie. This is a collector's edition. Okay? Let me turn y'all around so y'all can see this. Okay. This comes in its own little leather case box. Look at that. Hold on, let me prop it up. Look at that. It comes in its own little case. This is the DVD right here. Then, in the bottom of it, in the bottom, it's got, hey, what's going on? Yeah, I'm back. Sorry about that. One of the guys that work here came out to talk. So, I hope I cut y'all off. Anyway, on the bottom, it's got this little booklet right here. I don't know what this is. I never did look at it. But it's got a little booklet. Then it's got the old Scarface movie, the original, and it's got a money clip. So I'm not selling this, y'all. So this is another segment. Let me put this back together. It's another segment of things I'm not gonna sell. Yeah, so y'all can get mad if you want to, but I'm not selling that. You know what I'm saying? Not gonna do it. So, hey y'all, this was just a quick video on stuff that I picked up today. The sun getting ready to go down, and you know, I'm just saying, I got to go because I can't. Plus, my phone on 10%. So, you know, I will go over this other stuff, but it's not important. The big stuff, the stuff that's selling for the big cash, is what I want y'all to see. But anyway, and let me tell you something for real though. If you all come across these old vintage tennis rackets, while you in the store, you gotta make sure you do this now, because you're gonna end up like with 400 tennis rackets that I got. I got 400 tennis rackets or more. Shit, I need to put it all on eBay. But you come across them, look up vintage wooden tennis rackets on eBay, and they all of them will pop up. And you just put, I always put like high to low, so I can see what the most expensive one's selling. Some of these Kramers are selling for that much, but I know I can sell these. That's why I got them. I ain't have to look these up because I sell them all the time. Like I said, between $30 and $200 something. Kramer autographs. See that? Kramer autograph. These used to be $2. Now these stores sell them for $3.99. In every store, these used to be $2. I don't know what's going on. They're trying to make us pay for COVID. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, y'all, like I said, pay attention to these. Then you can use USPS boxes when you send them off, the game boxes, the boxes that you put games in. Use 2 of them to send these off. Tape them together, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my video. And I'll be making, this one was kind of crazy. Kind of, off the wall, whatever. But like I said, I do raw. I do mine raw. I don't care. Ain't no damn scripts, nothing. What you see is what you see. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put on the screen what all these things are selling for on eBay, and you guys can see it. Hey, you know what? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, whatever. Whatever, y'all. Like and subscribe. Get your buddies to subscribe. Everybody to subscribe, okay? And I'll see y'all later. We get ready to go. So you know what I got to say. Whoo, yeah. We picking the hood too. Yeah. Peace.